Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Anita Sharma. I'm a psychiatrist. I'm practicing in Greater Noida, and I'm director of Mind Grace Clinic, Greater Noida. So today is 10th October, and this day is celebrated as World Mental Health Day worldwide. So, what is mental health first? Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities and are able to cope with the stresses of life, can work productively, and can make a contribution to the community or society. So it is not merely an absence of a mental illness or a disease. Main objective of this day is to raise awareness about the mental health, to come together and talk about mental health, and to reduce stigma and to promote mental health. So this year's World Mental Health Day's theme is mental health care for all. Let's make it a reality. So why is mental health and this day is so important? Because world statistics, when we see there are 1 billion people worldwide who are suffering from one or other mental illness. It means that one in every 5 person is having one or another mental health disorder. And depression is the second leading cause of disability worldwide. Every 42nd a person dies by suicide, and suicide is the second leading cause of death between 15 to 19-year-old adolescents. So this is the world statistics. When we look at in our country, around 20 crore people are suffering from one or other mental illness. It means that 1 in every 7 Indians are having any form of mental illness. The situation has even become worse after this COVID-19 pandemic. During the past 2 years, there was a lot of illness, admissions, and even deaths in our surroundings. So grief and depression due to the death of the loved ones, panic and anxiety due to the uncertainty about future, and financial loss has led to the anxiety, depression, fear, denial, insomnia, anger, and many other mental health issues. Along with this strict lockdown, social distancing, social isolation, that all had led to the overexposure to the screen, and misinformation spread through the social media portals has led to the new problem of infodemics. Through this misinformation have increased further anxiety and panic among people. And also this social media use or screen time overuse has led to the problem of gaming addiction or internet addiction or screen addiction among our children and younger adults. So along with this, during this COVID-19 pandemic time, the frontline workers, mainly healthcare workers, sanitation workers, police employees, and other frontline workers had faced a lot of stressful work situations, this isolation from their families and friends, and also the stigma and discrimination from their neighborhoods and community that had led to the feeling of anger, disgust, guilt, and even moral injury to these frontline workers. So all that had made the condition mental health in our country even worse. So today, on this World Mental Health Day, we all should pledge to come together to talk about our mental health issues, to seek help, and to bring everyone together and help everyone who is suffering from any form of mental health ailments in our surroundings. Do not stigmatize a person with any mental health issue. If anyone is likely to have any form of signs or symptoms suggesting any mental health problem, seek professional help. Thanks.